Oh, hi, how are you? My name is Gonzalo Hernandez, and we are here in Cofea Diversa, Biolay, Costa Rica, southern region of Costa Rica, close to the border with Panama. And here on my left is a plant of Liberica, Cofea liberica species. This plant is probably 3 or 4 years old. It's going to grow even taller than this. One interesting fact about Liberica is while Cofea Arabica takes 9 months from flowers, from flower to ripe cherry, Liberica takes from 12 to 14 months from flower to ripe cherry. That is why, while you don't see any ripe cherries in Arabica here at Cofea Diversa, in Liberica, the crop is just starting.
And the leaves, I mean, what is the noticeable difference? The size of the leaves, the size of the cherry?
There are many differences, but in general, it's a tree that is much more robust than Arabica. For example, the area of a leaf, if you were to compare it with a leaf of Arabica, this is probably 25 to 30 times bigger, the Liberica. Same with the trunk, right? Same with the cherries. The cherries are a bit bigger. The other difference is that it doesn't self-pollinate. It cross-pollinates.
With bees?
Exactly. Arabica self-pollinates. Liberica only cross-pollinates.
So without bees, this wouldn't exist?
No, not at all.
And it's incredibly tall. What is it, 4 meters tall? 5 meters
maybe
tall?
5. And remember, it's only a baby. It's 3 or 4 years old.
And how do you get rid of the, or how do you pick the cherries?
We use a ladder. As a matter of fact, that ladder should be around here.
And where does Liberica come from?
West Africa.
Which countries would that be then?
You remember that yellow region I showed you?
Yeah.
In West Africa? It would be Liberia. Mostly Liberia, hence the name, Liberica. But also Togo and all those places.
What's really interesting is the size of the leaf. Look at it compared to my hand.
Another very interesting fact that I forgot to mention is that the aroma of the flower is much more richer, is much more deep than in Arabica. That is why we're collecting the fresh flowers and selling them for infusions in Japan. They love it over there.
And the flower has caffeine?
Great question. I looked on the internet and I couldn't find anything, but I talked to a botanist friend of mine, very knowledgeable person, and he told me that he thinks that the flowers have caffeine because the bees keep coming. It's just not because of the aroma or the or the sweetness of the flower, but because of the caffeine. They keep coming.
Exactly. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.